Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to download Unity and create our first game. So first we would like to download Unity. So we will write in Google download Unity Hub. After that we'll click the first site that comes. And then we would like to click the download button. After you have downloaded Unity Hub and signed in, here will be like this page. Then you will have to create a new project. Here are a bunch of things that you can choose. We'll choose Universal 2D and name our project as, let's name it Car Game 1. 1. Okay, so after that, let's click the button Create Project. Okay, so after you've opened the project, here will be like this page. So we'll continue working on our project in the next lecture, but don't forget to download the package that I put in the description so that you will have car and background on all of that so that we can create it normally. So this was all for this lecture. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.